The Turkish town serving humanity. Welcome to a town where the poor never go hungry. This is Karakokan, a town in the eastern Anatolia region of Turkey. The town is popularly known for its kindness to the less fortunate, with restaurants in the city allowing the poor to eat for free, a practice which dates back generations. Even during the busy periods, restaurants reserve at least 2 or 3 tables for their most valued customers. Around 100 people eat for free each day across the town, which is home to around 28,000 people. There is no limit to the number of meals that they can have. The tradition started in 1940s at the Merkez restaurant, one of the first eateries in the town, when the former owners started offering free meals to those in need every day. The practice was quickly picked up by other restaurants in the area. Karakokan's restaurants have even invented a special name for patrons who eat free of charge to avoid using the word poor. Any customer who says that they are among the Alti Boluk 6 divisions, a subdivision of an army regiment, can leave the restaurant without any further explanation when the check arrives. The restaurant owner Hassan Gulbasan says inviting the poor does not even have a slight effect on his earnings. If anything, it brings even more barakah. And indeed, the barakah continues to flow in. Today, Karakan is one of Turkey's wealthiest towns. May Allah accept their efforts. Watch, like, share and comment. CII Radio, bringing the news to you.
This is CII Radio, independent, authentic and dedicated to you.